Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of buzz around Township, with people saying there's a simple way to stack up cash and coins using just your phone. No computer, no complicated steps, something you can do right from mobile. I'll be honest, I didn't buy it at first. Township is all about building, planning, and earning things over time, so unlimited resources sounded a little too easy. But curiosity kicked in, and I figured the best way to know for sure was to test it myself. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I tried, how it went step by step, and then we'll head back into Township together to see how everything turned out. The first thing you need is your user ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a minute to find mine. I copied it and kept it saved for later. This step is simple and doesn't take much time. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will work. Then, I searched for the website people were mentioning. When the page loaded, there were no pop-ups or strange redirects. The site looked clean and normal, which I honestly didn't expect. Once I got onto the site, I used the search bar to pull up the Township option people have been talking about. The layout was clean and easy to follow. I selected my device, Android for me, though iOS was available too, then entered my player ID and took a moment to make sure everything was correct. After that, I tapped continue and moved on without any problems. Then, it asked how many resources I wanted. Just to test it properly, I selected the highest amount. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared showing different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to understand. Before it finished, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were clear so it wasn't confusing. I already completed that earlier, so let's skip straight to the results. I opened Township again and checked my cash and coins, and they were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting for anything to load. The balance updated instantly, like finishing a big order and collecting the rewards right away. Honestly, how fast it showed up is what surprised me most. Based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were easy, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you follow everything carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, leave a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.